Hey guys, I'm back with another Dollar Tree haul. I found some really great items. These are the new food storage containers that they have out. These are $1.50 each. They have the little push tab on the top that makes it like more of a vacuum seal. They had it in this square shape as well as a cylinder shape like this. Super cool. So it keeps your food nice and fresh and they're easily stackable. So $1.50 for each container, I thought was a great buy. They also had out these 4 set packs of different sized, graduated size containers. They had it in these 3 variations. One is more of the blue pack, then the solid white, and then the gray. So again, these are some great finds. I think this time of year is the best time to stock up on food storage containers. I found this lamination brow gel set new to me with the Be Pure brand, as well as the La Mercerie Extreme Fullness Mascara. I grabbed more of these loofah sponges by Ideal Bath. These are the great buys for the $1.25 because they're very full. I also found some new sets of paintbrushes. These are new to me. These are the fine artist brush sets. So I grabbed 2 different kinds, as well as these really pretty 4x4 beaded wood picture frames. And I grabbed these cutouts right here. They will make really nice frames for a DIY project. I had to grab me this Mentos gum as well as these cute garden statues. They had them in 2 variations, an angel holding a cat as well as one holding a dog. Thought they were super adorable, great for indoor or outdoor use. And you can easily paint these as well if you don't like that finish. I also found these cute throw pillow covers. One has the bunny ear design and the other one has the chick design. I'll show you at the end how they look. I found these really cute Bluebee paint with water books. These are really nice, and when I looked at the label on them, this one is a sticker book right here. It wasn't like the usual Greenbrier brand, so I think these actually came from a different store. So these are really nice quality and great to add to an Easter basket. I had found them in 2 variations of the paint by water, and one with the I think 2 with the sticker book, activity book like this. Look at all those cute stickers. My toddler grandson will have so much fun working on these activity books. So I thought for $1.25 each, you can't beat that price at all, since these can easily be around $4 or $5 if you buy them anywhere else. I also found these Bluey wall decals, super cute. Again, these were not the usual like brand that they have for these types of stickers, so these were great finds. I grabbed 2 different variations and styles. My grandson has his room decorated in this theme, so he will have so much fun adding this to his collection. I also found this really pretty canvas wall art with the birds. They are having so many different options, good options for wall art nowadays. So $1.25, I believe, for that. I grabbed a pack of sponge brushes as well as Aleene's tacky glue. I also found these cute little Minecraft figurines, perfect for an Easter basket once again. I grabbed more of this liner for the air fryer. I found this interesting brush, perfect for washing water bottles, sports bottles, that sort of thing, and it comes with a little mini brush as well. I grabbed more of these rapid relief gel patches because those are super handy to have, especially during the sick season. And this is how the pillow covers look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please give me a thumbs up and follow me for more.